todos ustedes y bienvenidos al nuevo show del abogado Vital de Carpio en esta gran y mundial plataforma donde hablaremos acerca de inmigración, de casos penales, de accidentes y si quiere tirar una curva, bienvenido aquí todos los días al pie del cañón. El abogado Vital de Carpio, despierte con Vital legalmente, aquí para apoyar a nuestra comunidad, donde pueden llamar y quitarse las inquietudes legales, aquí con el abogado Vital de Carpio. Si no hace nada, nada va a pasar. Vital de Carpio.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are again, another weekend, giving you updates on all the immigration laws that transpire during this past week. And there are very important changes that we're expecting to come up, and we're definitely going to keep you informed about that, okay? And so you can call in at the number that you see above the screen. You can call it in Spanish or in English, and we'll answer any immigration questions you may have. Also, any personal injury, accident cases, or if you have any criminal matters, we can always give you that advice also because of the 28 years of experience from Attorney Vital de Carpio. We can answer any and all of those questions. And obviously, you should always have legal advice when it comes to an automobile accident or serious injury or any criminal case because it may have consequences of immigration, or if you don't have any consequences of immigration because you're a United States citizen, you still need a good, strong representation there legally. Okay, there's the number above, like I said, and we're also mentioning to you the events are going to be the changes of the immigration laws, and also we have a free seminar for victims of domestic violence. It will be in Spanish. On September 11th, we'll let you know that about a second. Okay. And speaking about the law changes, I want to let you know that the first law that we're concerned about is a recommendation by the CDC that the people who want to become legal permanent residents need to be vaccinated with the COVID vaccine. And as you know, there's some people who do not wish to inject anything into their bodies for whatever constitutional reason they have or whatever. We have to respect that. So that is a recommendation by the CDC who advises regarding the COVID. And the immigration has not yet accepted it. At least I have not seen it. And if it does come out, we will let you know. So if you are in the process of waiting for your interview, don't do anything that anyone says or is a suggestion. Once you get a letter in the mail asking you to vaccinate, then you would have to do that or see what happens with it. I would imagine that if that immigration takes that position, that recommendation, that it will be challenged because there are groups that are against the vaccination, and once again, they'll have to make a determination about that. So in the meantime, you don't have to do anything unless you get some notification in writing. And for the people who are filing the petitions, if your husband is petitioning for you, move as fast as you can, and then you can have an option. And it's up to you, obviously, whatever you wish to do with your body regarding injecting anything like that. Okay, we're going to continue here for everybody, and stay tuned with Attorney Vital de Carpio.
Y aquí estamos, bienvenidos, y le estamos entregando este documento para que vean, a ver, díganos usted qué cosa es.
Ay, mi aprobación de la visa U.
Ajúa, exactamente, aplausos y gracias por esos nutridos aplausos que estamos escuchando. Y bueno, para que la gente vea, vamos a poner, ¿de cuántos años es esto?
De 4 años.
4 años, ahí la pueden ver, por si acaso algunos que ya saben ver para creer, dijo un ciego. Y eso es a través de víctima de un crimen, ¿no?
Exactamente.
¿Y puede decirnos qué clase o tipo de crimen fue lo que ocurrió?
Sí, fue un crimen de violencia doméstica.
Ok. Bueno, y dígame una cosita, cuando usted vino por primera vez aquí al Changarro, ¿qué dudas tenía usted? A ver, confiese.
Muchas.
A ver.
Sí, eran muchísimas dudas, ya que había ido a ver varios abogados alrededor del condado y todos me decían que no se podía, que no había caso, que que me compraban tiempo, lo máximo un año aquí, pero que no tenía oportunidad de arreglar. Claro, eso no le dije al abogado cuando vine a consultarlo.
Gracias. Que no, exactamente. Ajá. ¿Y qué más le decían? Ya me interesó.
Pues sí, me entristecían mucho cada vez que salía de ver un abogado, porque pues, realmente las pruebas que tenían eran mínimas. Porque ya había tenido una deportación en el 2012 y caí otra vez a inmigración como 3 meses después de haber regresado de México.
Dele, ya. Ok, bueno, este es el primer paso, damas y caballeros. Las personas que son víctimas de un crimen obtienen este permiso de trabajo que es de 4 años, ¿no? Es una estadía legal aquí en los Estados Unidos, y el próximo paso va a ser la residencia legal, que obviamente también la vamos a esperar aquí en los estudios, porque estamos aquí en Bangkok, de casualidad estaba ella de turismo y la vimos en la calle. Así es que, ahora dígame, hay personas que tal vez abogados u otras personas les han dicho no se puede, tienen la desidia, están ariscos porque ya les han robado. ¿Qué le puede decir usted a estas personas que la están viendo ahorita en los canales de televisión, en el Facebook, en el YouTube, en la radio, en cualquier parte del mundo? A ver, hábleles.
Sí, que tengan confianza en el abogado Vital, que él habla claramente y te dice si puedes o no puedes arreglar, te busca alguna forma de arreglar también. Entonces, sí, les aconsejo que vengan y consulten al abogado.
Ya lo escucharon en vivo y en directo. ¡Hasta luego! Gracias por los aplausos.
Yeah, we heard a recipient of a legal permanent residency card because she was a victim of domestic violence. And I'm sorry, for a victim of a crime, okay? Y I'll mention that in Spanish. Aquí escucharon la persona que fue víctima de un crimen y obtuvo la residencia legal a través de la visa U, que es un tema que ustedes pueden ver en otros testimonios o en el YouTube, en el Facebook, los pueden ver ahí. Okay, we have this domestic violence seminar. It's completely free on September 11th, 2021 at 1 o'clock through Zoom. And anyone is welcome to participate. It will be in Spanish. Aquí estamos anunciando una charla de violencia doméstica que vamos a tener nosotros el 11 de septiembre, del sábado, a la 1 de la tarde. Inscríbase, pueden ver aquí y ver cómo lo pueden hacer, registrándose, y luego le mandamos un correo electrónico para todos ustedes. Okay, we're going to be going remote now, and just a second to continue with our weekly update. And as soon as the engineer gives it to me, we're going to let you know. Okay, and here we go. I think so. Here he comes. Okay, it's Attorney Vital DeCarpio, and transmitting to you live. Hello, everybody. Here we are again, just giving you an update of the week of what are the new laws that have transpired. As you remembered, people who were filing for political asylum were coming to the United States and were either being arrested or had to wait in Mexico, or they were released. And President Biden indicated that the policy stopped. He pulled it out, and some states filed a lawsuit against the president indicating that he couldn't do that. And a judge on last Thursday, and today is August 28, 2021, indicated that they had to implement that policy again, back in, and to people who wait in Mexico who are asking for asylum. The Supreme Court got involved, and they've indicated with the judge in Texas that the President Biden has to comply with the order, the protocol, that people who are asking for political asylum are either arrested, and if they don't have enough capacity in the custody detention centers, they would have to wait in Mexico. And that is the latest on the Supreme Court. There is some criticism that the judges are dictating national policy, because now the United States has to communicate with Mexico to see if they will allow them to continue with that program that was in existence during the past government. Okay? Now, the main changes that have occurred are as follows. President Biden, when he took office, the following day signed an executive order indicating that they wants to stop the first 100 days from any type of deportation. Well, 2 weeks later, a couple of states filed a lawsuit in Texas, and the judge indicated that that policy was not correct or legal, and therefore would not allow it. And in March, the Department of Immigration, Department of Homeland Security, released a memorandum based on the president's executive order that we're going to reduce deportations, we're going to close court cases, allow people to reopen cases. In other words, let's reduce the 1,300,000 immigration court cases. Let's reduce that. And so people have began to reduce the caseload in the courts. The trial attorney working for the government are more amenable to closing cases when it is not necessary. But on last Thursday, federal judge in Texas indicated that President Biden cannot do that. So on Monday, last Monday, they asked the judge to please stop that ruling because people are going to be hurt. And the judge said, I'm going to wait until August 30th. So that'll be 2 days from now. And then he's going to make a decision whether President Biden can continue with his policy to allow people to close cases, reopen cases, and be able to get the legal permanent residency or not. And so that is very important. And we will provide that information on Monday as soon as it comes out. It will be given in Spanish and in English. And so the thing is, if you have an attorney and you want to close your case, you need to have him file the prosecutorial discretion, even today, as long as it's done before the 30th, because I'm sure there will be a ruling sometime in the morning on the 30th. Okay, well, those are the news that we have, and every week we come out and update you. We give this program every day at 4 o'clock in Spanish, and people can call in, and ask their questions, okay? And if anyone wants an appointment with Attorney Vital DeCarpio, there's our phone number here, 800-660-5006 from anywhere in the world. And we have a system that we can communicate with you and represent you anywhere in the United States on any immigration case based on the 28 years of experience that we have representing people, especially the tough cases, not just the simple ones. So if someone needs a waiver or has received a denial or a notice of intent to deny, you need to take action right away because we only have a few days to take care of that. So there it is, 800-660-5006. You can contact Attorney Vital DeCarpio anytime when you're ready. We'll be right there for you.
Gracias, damas y caballeros. Aquí con el abogado Vital DeCarpio. El teléfono de la oficina es el 714-953-2732. Y también puede ver al abogado Vital DeCarpio en el internet en abogadovital.com. abogadovital.com para ver la cara en nopal del abogado. También puede hacer una cita al 714-953-2732 por Skype, por correo electrónico. Y si tiene un accidente automovilístico o un caso de mala práctica médica, llame al abogado Vital DeCarpio al 714-953-2732. 714-953-2732. El abogado Vital DeCarpio. Y ¡san se acabó!